When you're awakened by the sound of heavy machinery in the morning, it's always a good idea to take a walk outside and just see what's happening. One of the perils of living in a forest is sometimes you actually do live in a forest, as when trees grow into your roof. Our neighbor has discovered this problem. We have some new neighbors that just bought a house and are removing a couple of trees. How would you like to have the job of climbing this tree with heavy machinery strapped to your waist, just waiting for that trunk to break off and hit you in the head? Well, look what it did to the roof. See what it did to the roof next door? Many thanks goes out to Ed Cook Tree Removal for providing quite a show. Thanks, guys.